Alright, sir. We're doing a little post-race review of the first full drive of your new NSX Buddy. Now it has encountered a few crashes, and it's got a few bumps and bruises. Let's see the parts that are there. What do we have? We have the diffusers that were on the sides, and we have, of course, the mirrors. Now the mirrors are gonna keep popping out because they are glued to here. So I don't know what we're gonna do about that. Maybe we just don't put them, right? Other than that, well, we've got some scratches in the front, which is expected, and yeah, we can repaint. I'm still thinking it would be pretty cool to put some kind of not a livery, but maybe a number on the side. I don't know. You want to keep it as a street car, right?
Street car.
All right. We drove today with our good old Mercedes-Benz truck that we converted many years ago from a toy to a proportional steering. What brand of toy was it originally? It's an unknown Chinese brand of toy that we got from the Chinese internet here. But we kept the back ends. It's no diff, of course. Very slow motor. And we just changed the servo to a micro servo like here. So, tell us your opinion of your new narrower car. Street car compared to the GT that you usually drive. Usually you'll have the wide tires and the C8.
Yeah.
So, do you feel any difference when you go from wide tires to narrower, and when you go very different?
Driving is like crazy.
The driving is crazy. Tell us how.
I mean, like when you turn, it's way more hard. You can like, I feel like because I'm more thin, it's very hard to turn sometimes.
Oh.
Because sometimes, like when you always go full speed and turning. Sometimes you just go good, and then like sometimes go crazy bad, and then go good, and then just a little bit bad, and a little bit bad.
Well, maybe you just get.
Good.
You need to get used to the difference between the two. Plus, those tires might be grippier than those ones because they are newer. Now, at the end of the day, the point of the exercise was to see, can we take a 124? Let's have the box again so we can show everyone what we started from. So we took a Fujimi 1/24th scale NSX model car, and we cut it, narrowed the wheelbase 6 millimeters, and still some tape on the inside. That's cool. I'll remove it later. We have put some of the interior. You can't. I think it's glued. We have kept the motor at the back. We didn't put the cover. And we've made our own mounts like if it was a miniz body. And I mainly wanted to test the durability. Now, of course, the little pieces that we glued popped out. But the body is pretty much as flexible and resistant as a Kyosho body. So I think this is going to be very durable. And it's going to sustain quite a lot of abuse like the other bodies we have. And so it's good news to see that we can just take the scale model and chick in a couple of days, make our own little thing. And maybe if we get better at model making, we can actually make one in the future that looks like tip top, right?
What is tip top?
Tip top is perfecto. A great looking. Yes, let's speak with our fingers. So, hope you enjoyed the race.
I hope you enjoyed the race.
Hope you enjoyed the project.
Too.
And we'll see you again in another episode of Crazy Racing. See you, everyone. Bye-bye.